Today I'm going to show you how to pick zucchini.
Why do you have clippers?
So I can go and clip them off.
Why are we clipping them?
Because if we clip the stems, it'll go and break the whole plant.
So if you twist the stems, it can break the plant? Okay. How do you know they're the right size?
Once you get used to it, you just know it.
You just know it? So is that the right size in your hand right now? Oh, that's pretty.
That's about the right size. Now we're going to pick tomatoes.
Think there's any ready?
You have to go and look for the perfect reddish size like this.
Oh, that's pretty.
And then you go and put it inside here. This one's a great example for a bad one. It has brown all over it.
What do you do with the bad ones?
You go wipe the zucchini and you place it on the ground for compost.
For compost? Okay.
This is what I got from my market table today.
Oh, those are some good looking tomatoes. Nice. Are we going to your other garden now?
Yes.
Okay, let's head there.
Here are my pumpkins.
What is it? Your back's to it. I can't hear you.
My pumpkins.
Your pumpkins. That's a lot of pumpkins.
My watermelon.
Watermelon, okay.
My row of corn.
Your additional row of corn, okay.
My second row of corn.
2 rows.
Halfway full of corn, halfway full of beans.
Halfway of corn and beans, okay. You got more squash and zucchini.
More squash and zucchini, some sweet potatoes, and some peppers, jalapeno and bell, and some tomatoes.
What do you have? Because your back was to me, I couldn't hear you.
Tomatoes.
Hey, what?
Tomatoes, green bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, and sweet potatoes. In this row, it's our additional green bean row.
Green bean row. Are we picking those tomorrow, you think?
Yes.
Well, let's check out the squash and zucchini and the rest of the tomatoes. See what we got, okay?
Okay.
What are we looking at?
Tomorrow we're going to pick some green beans because they're about this size.
What size are they? Oh my gosh, those look like yummy green beans. Are we going to can any?
Yes.
And then after we can, what are you going to do with them?
Put them on our market.
Put them on your market? Okay, well, it looks like we got a big project tomorrow of a lot of green beans. Okay, let's see what we have for this one.
My bag in there.
Why do you take the stems off?
Because you have to face them this way.
Okay.
This isn't normal for my market because I've been out of town for a few days. But I have some potatoes, some garlic, a lot of tomatoes, 3 green bell peppers, a cucumber, 3 zucchini, and a whole bunch of onions.
It's a lot.